So today I'm at a job in Gymea. Basically the customer's got fibre to the curb, and what they've done is they've just put a cable at the closest spot, which is at the front of the house. You can see out there, that's the street, but it's in their bedroom. So they've got all the flashing lights and the bits and bobs happening on the modem and gateway and that here. So we're going to relocate this to their office, which is at the back of the house. So they don't have the flashing lights, and they want their phone at the back of the house as well. So this will solve all the problems. So I've just run a Cat 6 cable from here underneath the house all the way to the other end. It's all been clipped up, and I'm putting that down the back. So it's basically run underneath the house, all clipped up under there. And then we've got our Cat 6 here coming in and then poking up here at the back of the house where the garden and stuff is. So this is where they wanted it. It's all clipped up underneath, and go inside and put the sockets on. Here's where it pops up here in the office. I've got the computers and stuff here. So we're going to put a socket on here and bring the fibre to the curb signal to this point here. And that's it. The new socket's installed on the skirting here. So we'll go plug to the other end and then plug everything in and test. So now the new Cat 6 cable is terminated on the leading cable at this socket here on the right hand side. Now that should send the FTTC signal down to the socket that we just put in the office. Then we'll go plug everything in and see if it works. That's it, FTC's working. I've got the internet lights on and the phone is working. Happy days.